Narinig mo na ba yung tinatawag na silent luxury? Kung saan tinatago mo yung true wealth mo by not wearing any luxury bags, any luxury brand, yung simple ka lang, yung parang low-key lifestyle. In a world kasi of social media kung saan karamihan nag-flex ng kanilang achievements tulad ng kanilang income, ng kanilang business, ng kanilang car, ng kanilang travel, and actually, there's nothing wrong with that. In fact, it can also serve as an inspiration sa iba. And if you're a business owner, added credibility din ito sa iyo to attract more business. However, on the other side of the spectrum, meron din kasing mga tao na gusto nila yung simple lang, yung low-key lang, at walang nakakaalam sa kanilang true wealth. At yan yung nagustuhan ko with the low-D lifestyle or yung living on dividends and interest. Kasi yung wealth mo, liquid, walang nakakakita. Tapos, yung wealth mo is nasa investments account mo, nasa high-yield savings accounts mo, and then kumikita ka lang through dividends and interest. So, para sa akin, low-D lifestyle is also low-key lifestyle. Ikaw, okay din ba sa iyo itong tinatawag na low-key lifestyle?